Hey guys, so in this video we're going to talk about a few things, and we're going to do probably two tabs in this video. So we're going to talk about files. So the files tab is more if you've got digital items that you're selling, say it's an ebook or it's a digital work of art or something like that. This is where you would upload that image, so when people buy it they will automatically get sent it. Really handy. It's only available to the upgraded version of ECWID, so it's not available in the free version, but to be honest it's really cheap to upgrade. So if your business is going to be an online business that sells online stuff, you're best to get the upgraded version because it gives you this option to sell them, and it's automatic kind of thing. So when the person buys it and the credit card payment clears or whatever it is, they'll get it in an email straight away. Now we'll talk about taxes and shipping as well. So basically this tab is exactly what it says. It's about taxes and shipping. So kind of brings into the same fact as what I was talking about with weight before, is that all your items need to be weighed perfectly. Well, not perfectly, but close to the mark, because as you can see here, it says weight and dimensions. So the dimensions side of it is for different calculations. Now in the free version, we're going to use the weight. Now, in the paid version of ECWID, you can use length, width, and height as well. But at the moment, we're just going to do weight. So what that does is just make sure that you've got like the amount of weight that these whole cans are weigh. So I've got them as 20 kgs. And remember, we put that back on that generals tab. If we go back here, we have a look. It's in 20 kgs there. Now, just underneath that, you've got shipping rates, and we'll talk about this in a video because it's a dedicated video by itself later on. But basically, you want to make sure, because you can select free shipping, you can select a fixed per item shipping. So if you definitely know that it's only going to cost, say, $10 to ship them, and that's going to be for every item, then you can use fixed shipping. What we're going to use is we're going to use global rates. And what that does is it calculates it based on your weight of your item, how many items you've got, and if it reaches a certain amount. So if your bags, say your bags hold say two items, and those items weigh 23 kgs, but your limit for your first bag price wise is only, say, like 15 kgs, then what it'll do is it'll bump your shipping automatically for the customer into the next tier, and we'll learn about that later. It's really smart software that it does that, because it does it all for you. So when you get the email saying, hey, this customer's brought this, it's already calculated. You don't have to go and go, oh yeah, they've got 5 items, it's going to cost this much, and then send back an email. It does it all for you, which is really great. Taxes down the bottom, you can use them. I don't use them because in New Zealand we don't set this up for taxes, but in your country you might be using taxes, like taxes might come into it. So you're more than welcome to have a setup of this. To have a look through that if you're not sure, the help option in ECWID is great, but I don't use it myself personally. I just use the shipping rates options in this tab. Awesome, that's pretty much it for this video. We've covered files and the taxing and shipping, and I'll see you in the next video.